Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Suffolk County in southeastern New York until 10:15 a.m. At 9:26 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sag Harbor, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Gardiner's Island around 9:40 a.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.